Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk about what you should know about your Kia Carnival, the feature with the car key of the Kia Carnival. So first of all, from here we can saw this one is a lock button and the unlock button, and this one is to open the tailgate. Well, now the car is locked, so for the unlock key we just need to hold longer a bit, and we will automatically open the tailgate as well as the both of the sliding door. And if you want to close it back, we just click the lock button longer and then it will automatically close it back. And for this function, we could close it in setting inside the meter. Let's move on to the next. We can start from here. There will be open the left side sliding door. We just need to hold it. And then for this one is the right hand side. We just need to hold it and then it will closing back. Now the top one is to remove start the engine. So for now there will be a coding. You just need to click the lock button twice. And then we move on to here. The top one, we just hold it. And it will start. For this function, the Carnival will start its engine as well as the aircon to cool itself. If you want to off the engine, we just click once more and then it will be off. For this Kia Carnival car key, there is a hidden spare key. We just move to the side, we hold on this one, and then we could pull it out, the spare key will be coming out. This spare key is to enter your car. Whenever the car key of your Carnival, the battery flat, it can't open, it can't sense it, and then you could use the spare key to unlock the car and enter your car. And this Kia Carnival comes with the smart tailgate function. So when you have the car key, you can either put in your bag or your just pocket would do. And then when you just close it, it will automatically open. And then we could just put our backpack or your luggage. So when you close to your Kia Carnival, we will hear a beep at here. So once we went to the front or you just move away, the tailgate will automatically close it back. So let's move on to the sliding door, and then this Kia Carnival comes with the smart sliding door as well, same as the tailgate. When you hold the key, either put in your bag or just your pocket. When you close by, we will automatically open the sliding door as well. And the car will be unlocked. For the setting, we could just move in. We just need to click this menu button, just moving down to the door button. We just need to press this and then we can enter it. And then at the bottom, we could start from here will be the remote power door. We just need to click in and then we could pick the selection. Go back to the menu side, and then from here we can saw there will be a smart tailgate and the smart sliding door. When you close this smart tailgate function, so when you move closer to a tailgate, and it won't be opening up or closing down because a smart tailgate function has been closed. So this is the end of our video. For this video is all about how to set up your car key function of your Kia Carnival. If you like our video, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any inquiry, feel free to leave your comment under the comment section, or you may just WhatsApp us for more details, and I'll see you in the next video.